Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dubai Tamilan. I'm in Sri Lanka, doing good Malay. I'm staying this hotel, Gili. So now I'm going to getting the beach now. I'll update more videos later. See you guys. This is ஒரு தமிழ் உலகம் ஜப்னா மாதிரி இங்கே எல்லாமே 90% தமிழ் மக்கள் தான் இருக்காங்க. பாருங்கள், நல்லா அப்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். நல்ல ஒரு வீடியோ காட்டுறேன் பாருங்கள். Divine Mercy Syrian Church in Trungan Malay. For the food city, for the supermarket, it is available, everything is here. One of my friend restaurant, his name is Ranjit family. They have the nice breakfast, rice and curry. Look at that. Really I'm happy to eat. It is heavy food for me. I'll update more videos. சொல்லுங்க ரஞ்சித், நீ எத்தனை வருஷமா ரஞ்சித் இங்கே இருக்கீங்க? 9 வருஷமா 9 years அங்கே இருக்கார் ரஞ்சித் ஃபேமிலியோட. அவன் மகன் வந்து மெர்சி. இட்ஸ் அ நைஸ் நேம். இட்ஸ் வெரி க்ளோஸ் டு த சர்ச். தே ஆர் த கிறிஸ்டியன் யூனியன். த தமிழ் கம்யூனிட்டி இஸ் அ குட் தமிழ் ஸ்பீக்கிங். ஓகே, பார்க்கலாம். பாய், சாவ். மெர்சி ஃப்ரெஞ்சு பேசியா? ஃப்ரெஞ்சு பேசியானே? படி. ஏமா, நைஸ் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் டுடே. I have the veg bread and then I can go for the butter jam bread. Hi, this is the flesh crab. This is not selling from outside. This is 3,000 rupees in Sri Lankan rupees. Look at the live one. இது கம்பெனில தான் கொடுக்கணும். கம்பெனி எடுத்து போய் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க?
அவங்க வெளிநாட்டுக்கு தான். வெளிநாட்டுக்கு
இது எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதா? இது ஒன்லி ஃபார் எக்ஸ்போர்ட். Hi, this is a crab for the meat, not for the flesh. This is a meat crab. It's a very expensive, 3,000 rupees in Sri Lankan rupees. They are going to sell it company. The company will export to outside of the country. Look at the crab, very nice. So this is very rare to get it, very expensive one. Now I am going to buy this. Take to go to the hotel restaurant. I'll make it and eat today. In Prakundu, Malay. Prakundu Island, Prakundu. We are going to Prakundu Island. I am going to buy this. I'm going to today eat. But 7 days is live, never die. 7 days is alive. Hi guys, I am in Nilavali Road in Sri Lanka. What is the temple, Ayya? Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Very famous it is. I cannot enter inside. I don't have the waist key. Ayya, I'm from India.
India?
Yes, but I'm living in Dubai.
You live in Dubai?
Yes, you're from?
Netherlands.
I've been there, Netherlands.
Yeah?
Texel Island.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
The
And
side.
Amsterdam?
No, Amsterdam, Rotterdam, all I done. I enjoy your country, but Texel Island is very nice.
Yes.
Very quiet. I use all the island bicycle. No taxi.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai.
I'm in Nilavali beach. I'm going to Prakundu Island. Prakundu Island. I went to Krishna temple. I came now. I'm going to the Prakundu temple. Look at the beach. Sea View Beach Hotel. Very nice view. Wow. Boating here. இதை பிடிங்க என்ன காசு கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சி பேசுங்க. நம்ம டூரிஸ்ட் கூட வாங்கிடுறாங்க. Germany. I was Germany 3 months ago. Kolan Island cycling.
Where you've cycled in?
In Kolan.
Holland.
The river.
In Köln.
Kolan, close to
Düsseldorf.
close to Frankfurt.
Yeah.
Main city. Main.
We,
Close to Main.
we live in Mainz.
Main. I've been to Mainz. Okay, Mainz. Then I went the river. Lorelei.
Yeah.
Sea lady.
Ah, Lorelei, okay.
Lorelei.
And then to Cologne.
Cologne. Very nice, very beautiful. How long you are here?
Only for in Sri Lanka for 14 days.
14 days. Myself almost 16 days. I enjoy. I'm living in Dubai.
Okay.
Sunny place.
Yeah.
You're also very nice.
Very hot.
Very hot, yeah. Nila Valley Beach. I'm facing to the Peacock Island. Pigeon Island I'm going. I buy the crab. This crab for the meat crab. This is a wild meat. This only we can get in the night time. In the sea we can find it only the night time. The moon time we cannot find it. Very difficult to find. This price is almost like a 3,000 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees. They are going to sell it company for the export. So on the way I got it from this one. 3,000. This is like a meat. See, look at. We put the drumstick leaves. Is delicious from Sri Lankan. One of my friend, Renis, he's made it from his house because of me, especially. I'm enjoying my crab meat today with the lion lager beer. See, this is the crab, wild crab. It's only for the meat. So delicious from Sri Lankan. It's like my style is like a krill. This is drumstick leaves. Really, I'm enjoying this beach. Nice to talk to you. What's your name? Gamini. I'm from Dubai, Bendan, from Indian, Tamilan. It's a nice piece, nice property. I enjoy your property. This is a Sea View Beach Hotel. Sea View Beach Hotel. It's good property, it's nice property. They have the 15 rooms, huh?
Yeah, it's a 15.
15 rooms. They have another property also. I'm going to visit another property. What is the name of the other property?
Ceylon Anthea Beach Cabana.
Ceylon Ansia Beach Cabana. Tomorrow I'm going to stay there. He is recommend for me the owner. I'll update more videos tomorrow. Hi guys, see, look at the Nila Valley beach. Everywhere there is a room is available. See, look at here. Everywhere room. All the British people, Europeans, they're coming to stay here. And the rent was like a very cheap 4,000, 5,000 in Sri Lankan rupees per night. But in the beach, if you come to the beach, you can go to the beach and island. Very famous it is here, backside. Everywhere room is available. This is called Nila Valley. This country from Dringanmali to here, maybe a half an hour bus service. If you take a tuk-tuk, 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees. Hi, look at the deer. The wild deer is walking around the city, inside the city with the people. See, this shop for the dry fish shop. And the Malik, a cricket player restaurant. The restaurant called ISO. We order the nasi goreng, beer, burger. I have good friends here in Dringamali.